Hi, welcome back to the channel. I get questions all the time. What is the best pad that's going to go underneath of your vinyl planks and laminate and stuff like that? Well, we are here at the CFI Convention 2019, and I have absolutely found the best product that I've come by thus far, and this right here is a professional to tell you all about it.
Hi everybody. So you're probably very familiar with Treadmore on our double stick pad from 1562 to 2500. What I wanted to show you here today is we have the same SBR technology that goes to an underlayment for LVT, which is our D barrier, and these would be for other hard surface products also. But specifically what we're trying to show you today is the D barrier that goes under LVT or an LVP. You can have a single glue, meaning that this would float over the subfloor, and then you would glue your LVT or LVP on top, or you could actually have a thicker LVT, and that would just float on the entire installation, so floating on the bottom and floating on the top. Or you can do a complete double glue installation where you glue the D barrier to the subfloor and then you glue the LVT on top of the D barrier. And this is what's going to give you a high performance commercial acoustic installation with our D barrier. And we have all of that information and specification details on our website. And then that other Treadmore SBR technology is moved into modular carpet tile. We call this modular PVI. So in this case, you would be using releasable adhesive on the carpet tile itself, and then you would be able to put releasable adhesive below and above on the carpet tile. Or you could also do a double stick where you still do releasable adhesive underneath the modular PVI and then on the carpet tile as well. Now, if you had an installation where the carpet tile, let's say, had been down for 5 years and you wanted to replace it and put new carpet tile there, the modular PVI is strong enough and would be able to be used multiple times in that type of application. And just like you would want to have access to the floor with modular tile, you would have that same capability with the modular PVI over the course of the installation. And again, we have all of that detail on our treadmore.com website.
Okay, so I think I heard you say something yesterday about the fact that this was also going to help denting and stuff like that, because this does absorb banging and stuff like that, is if you was to drop something?
Absolutely. So there's an ASTM test where you would take a metal steel ball and drop that from about 4 feet above and get an impact resistant test on the actual material. And so what that would mean is if I did not have the D barrier on the actual subfloor and I just dropped that weight on the LVT, that would possibly crack or create an indention on the material itself. When you add the D barrier to that same situation where you drop the weight, the D barrier is going to allow the impact to be absorbed into the SBR rubber, and that way you would not indent into the actual hard surface material on top.
Okay, so that goes to show just exactly how much I know about the pads. I strictly thought that it was just to keep the clanking from the LVP clanking on the wood and stuff like that. However, from a professional here, it obviously does extend the life of your product. It's going to keep it looking a lot better and soundproofing as well. So highly recommended, the Treadmore.
So we've got the Treadmore cushion, our standard cushion that we've had in the industry for many years, double stick on broadloom, and now we're also including that into the D barrier for hard surface materials, LVT, LVPs, and that type of thing, and then over to the modular carpet tile installation. And also Kinetics is another new modular product in the industry. You'll also see some woven modular products that this would work under as well.
So I actually think that this is really ingenious about the dent proof and stuff like that. Not saying that it's dent proof, but absorbing the shock of the metal ball bearings, just like he described a while ago, just keeping your product looking a lot better, a lot longer because of that pad under there. I think that's ingenious to have a pad underneath of a glue down product.